I just ordered this about 2 weeks ago, and we had just gotten 3 feet of snow, so I kind of forgot what model this is. I'm going to open this up to see what I ordered again. I know I wanted the tack, but that was sold out. So it looks like I got the Elite DiretoX. So let's see what's in this thing. There's a box inside the box. Alright, there we go. The Elite DiretoX. I think I got it on sale for $6.99. Here's the unit. That's pretty nice. Looks like I gotta put it together. Oh, nice stand for the front wheel of the bike. It's like a power cord. I am in USA. I'll connect this. Oh, there's a little arrow right there. I like that it has a little handle here. What else is in this box? A 12-month coupon for something. Bunch of screws, spacers, a paper manual in many languages. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to download the Elite app. Congratulations. There's an activation code. Ride with Ruby. I'll have to figure out what that is. And my each mobile training app. Gotta download that stuff. What's in this box? Oh, one leg. One leg in that box. Another ball. Here's one leg. This one has a third leg. Looks like that one box was the middle leg. And that's what's in the box. Alright, now I gotta put this together.